Ladies and gentlemen, the icon, the beauty, the goddess, Rekha Ji. And to present the Kalyan Jewelers Inca Award for outstanding contribution to Indian cinema to Rekha Ji, we would love to invite on stage Mr. Kamal Hassan, Shruti Hassan, and chairperson of SAIMA, Brinda Prasad. Some names don't just belong to cinema, they become cinema. Rekha Ji is one such name.
For over 4 decades, she's mesmerized. Just not through her performances,
but with an aura that is truly her absolute own. There is a certain magic she brings to the silver screen, a silence that speaks, a gaze that lingers, and a presence that stays with you long, long after the curtains fall. She has moved effortlessly across languages, across generations, across time, constantly evolving, yet always remaining unmistakably Rekha.
in an industry that changes every Friday, she remains timeless. And tonight, we don't just celebrate an actor, we celebrate an emotion, a legacy, and a phenomenon.
Inca is proud to honor Rekha Ji, celebrating her decades of excellence in Indian cinema. Please welcome her with a thunderous round of applause.
I'm happy, then honored. Can I say it? Can I call you by your name? Abu, I'm very proud. There are 3 Abus I know. One is a father, then me. I was called Abu as a child, and then she. I call her Abu. So, I'm part of your family, and I'm honored. I think of your father when I thought of your father when I gave you this award. I'm moved, and what can I say? You've done everything that I wanted.
Oh, that's my line.
Oh, I stole her line, she says. But then, it's yours.
No. I waited 50 years for this. Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Like Abu / Kamal Ji said, not many people know this, that my father, Sri Jamni Ganeshan Nabargal, he's a producer, yes, but he too is a producer. But he produced 2 who stand in front of you right now. He produced me. Biologically, he produced him as an actor. So we are no different from each other.
Today, when I was tying my tie, I remembered your dad because he taught me.
Exactly. First, that you've said such wonderful things about me, may I also, because I don't know when I'll get a chance to stand next to him like this. This is the first, believe it or not. This is the first time I'm standing on stage next to you receiving this award. It's such a privilege. Thank you, Inca. Such an honor to be receiving it alongside you and Rahman Saab, which is absolutely fantastic. I must say that इनके बारे में as an actor मैं क्या बोलूँ, ये तो हरफन मौला है. I'll explain to you the meaning later. Harfan Maula, no, just kidding. He knows Hindi, he knows all the languages. He's, he's just a versatile par excellence. I mean, an actor, and everybody knows that he's just not an actor. He's a writer, he's a choreographer, he's a poet, he's a lover. That's one thing you have in common with my father. No. I told you I'm not going to give it away after 50 years, So I just want to thank all of you to be here. Yes, it is a first, and I'm very proud to be a part of this moment in history, a glittering moment, may I add. I want to thank my mama, my amma, yes, Srimati Pushpali Avargal, and of course I've already thanked my father. I also want to dedicate this award to, actually I have to rewind a little bit and go and give you a little trivia if you have the time. Would you like to listen to how everybody, the one question that is consistently asked of me, Abu, is what is the secret? What is the secret of Rekha? How come this girl, this dark, black, moti, Kali from Madras, become this Rekha who's standing in front of you? You have any idea? Well, you have, but I shall say it. It is something I didn't realize. I didn't plan it. I was all of 13 way back in 1969 when I came to Mumbai. I didn't know a word of Hindi. And when time and time again people ask me, how come you learned the language and mastered it, so to speak? They don't know. I have trouble, getting my keys and cars together, but that's just our secret. The truth is that it was very, very predestined, I think, and it's very simple. There were two Devis in my life, Devi Maas I would call, and they are two sides of the same coin, and they are the two apples of my eyes. I learned everything that I know about life and love. More importantly, consistency, resilience, and the love for my craft. These two beautiful Devi Maas taught me that just by being themselves. They didn't sit me down. They didn't look into my eyes. All I did was hear them. Okay, you want to know who they are now. They are none other than Lata Mangeshkar ji and Asha Tai. So all that you see on screen, all that you have witnessed on screen is the language. Yes, the language. How did I learn the language? I was very lucky that my very first film, Abu, was Sawan Bhado, and I had the good fortune that both Lata Didi and Asha Tai were very, very, the beginning of my career, they sang for me. So all I did was listen to their songs, their feelings, their intonations, their pronunciations, and just the feeling behind their voice. I not only learnt Hindi, but I guess I learnt my craft as well. So whatever you see in the movies, it is because of Lata Mangeshkar and Asha Tai. And I cannot separate the two. They are just two parts of my brain, the left and the right, and two parts of my heart. In fact, all the ventricles of my heart belong to Lata Didi and Asha Tai. I would like to dedicate this award to both of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rekha ji. Thank you for those
Thank
beautiful
you.
words.
Thank
and
you.
congratulations for this honor. No one deserves it more than you do. Congratulations. And thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you, Shruti. And thank you, man. Thank you for doing the honors for us tonight. Thank you very much.
Rana, addiri kottesave. Abba. Thank you. Thank you for everything.